Can we do it then?
In mission-critical environments, uncertainty is not an option. Operations demand clarity, speed, and systems that perform without compromise. At Garuda Aerospace, drone platforms are engineered specifically for high-stakes deployments where terrain is unpredictable and decisions must be immediate. From border surveillance across remote landscapes to support ground forces with real-time aerial intelligence, Garuda drone systems deliver stable flight, secure data transmission, and operational endurance in demanding conditions. Equipped with advanced payload integrations such as thermal imaging, high-resolution optical sensors, and intelligent mapping capabilities, these systems provide commanders with actionable insights, not just visuals. In disaster response scenarios, floods, landslides, or collapsed infrastructure, Garuda drones assist in rapid area assessment, search and rescue coordination, and route identification, reducing response time while minimizing human exposure to risk. During firefighting operations, aerial overwatch enables teams to evaluate fire spread patterns and plan containment strategies with greater precision. Built with rugged airframes, optimized flight stability, and mission-ready configurations, Garuda drones are designed to operate reliably where conventional methods fall short. Because in defense, security, and emergency response, technology must do more than function. It must endure. When lives depend on clarity from above, Garuda Aerospace delivers precision from the sky.